What's up, y'all? Theo Kasuga from Where We Drove, and today I'm gonna show you the interior of our camper. Alright, so right as you walk in, you see, well, pretty much the entire camper, except for the bathroom, which is hidden behind this door over here. But this is pretty much the only room around here. So let's walk through and see each part so you get a good idea of how it's organized. So up to the right, we have the living room, dining room, and office. This room serves all those purposes for us. So for example, this video right now is going to be added on this table over here. Now the cool thing is that this room also has a bed. So essentially you can stretch out this couch, put the table down, and then you have a bed. It's either for a single person who is very large or for a couple that's madly in love. And this part here can be storage or a bed. And this cabinet can also become a bed. Essentially what you do is bring this board down and then it sits on these little supports over here, and then that becomes a bed. It's only rated for 150 pounds though, so most folks need to go on a diet before they can try it. Turning around, we get to our bathroom, which is behind this big mirror door here. It's a wet bath, so you have the shower and the toilet in the same room. Of course, that means everything gets wet when you shower, so we put down these little boards here. Essentially what we do is we remove them when we shower, and then we put them back in and they're dry so we can stand in the bathroom without getting our feet wet. Now we have this nifty little shower. It's like a low flow shower head, and it's removable, which is super helpful because we don't have a lot of water in the camper. And we have this drying rack here. It's foldable, so we just stretch it out when we need it and we can dry our clothes in the shower. Off to the right, we have our cabinet with a mirror, sink, and the most important thing, toilet paper. This little cabinet is waterproof, which is a great idea because no one likes wet toilet paper. And as I mentioned, the entire bathroom gets wet when we shower, so this is really important. Moving on, we have a few drawers, a couple cabinets. This black thing over here is our furnace. Some kitchen drawers over here. This cabinet we use for clothes, and then the other one for food, like a pantry. Another pantry cabinet down here, and then we get into the kitchen. And here is our coffee machine, the most important thing in the camper, second to the toilet paper, of course. Then our microwave, and our fridge. It's a three-way fridge, so it works on propane, 12 volts, and 115 volts, which is the standard mains voltage in the United States. That means we can run the fridge all the time and keep things cold no problem. So you have the freezer here as well. It can keep our beer cold or food cold no matter where we are. Now turning around to the other side of the kitchen, we have a stove with an oven. It's a 3-burner stove, which is more than enough for us here. Pretty good size oven. Of course, it's just for 2 people, no problem. Then the sink, and this nifty little cutting board, which extends our area to work because it covers the sink. So with that, you see we don't have a lot of space here. But now with that cutting board, plus this area, plus the table, we can actually cook here no problem, especially just for 2 people, Alex and I, pretty easy. The kitchen hood is actually a very important thing in a camper. It's a small space, so it can get musty and warm really quickly when you're cooking. Then you have a couple of cabinets, and then the bedroom. Down here are our freshwater tank and our batteries. So we set up this little sitting area over here. We end up sitting here way more than we thought. Even though we have a couch, we end up using this space quite a lot. So it was a nice little addition here. So now moving on to the bedroom. The bedroom is on top of the cab of the truck, which is why it sits on a higher level than everything else. So you can notice that the floor down here is lower than the bedroom. So all we have to do is climb on these steps and get on the bed that way. And it's actually pretty spacious up there, so no problem there. Now on the left side, that's all of Alex's stuff. So those are her closets. And then on the right side, that's my side. That's all my stuff over there. Now climbing on the bed, we meet the queen, Maya. If you live with a cat, you know that it's really her house. We just get to live in it. Now, do you want to say hi, Maya? Doesn't want to say hi. Okay, cool. Okay, so now laying on the bed here, there's a part of this camper that's probably my favorite, and I'm going to show it to you now. So you see that little contraption there? This is actually a projector screen. So you just pull on it, and now we have a projection screen going across the foot of the bed. So here I am laying in bed. I can put the projector attached to these supports over here and then project onto the screen, and we can watch TV wherever we're parked. So that's our tour of the camper. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, where I'm going to be doing a lot more content on camper life and our travels across the United States. Bye bye!